Hi everybody, Patty Ann here. Hang on just a sec. I have something to show you today that I'm pretty excited about. Do you remember the other day when Jean Frieda was here and she and I worked on these sister wine glasses? You can kind of see it, sister. And do you remember that I had an issue with mine? Let me show you. We went to the Dollar Tree wine glass with vinyl video that I did, and if you look in the lower left hand corner, if you went to 11 minutes and 27 seconds, you'd hear me get pretty upset-ish. I had forgotten to clean my wine glass with alcohol before I put my letters on, and I'd started to adhere them. I couldn't take them back off. It was too late. So I thought, well, let's make something good out of this. So I thought we can compare mine that I didn't clean beforehand to Jean Frieda's, and she did clean hers beforehand, and let's see what happens. And by the way, let me show you the vinyl that I'm using. I'm using this Cricut Vinyl. It just says vinyl, Cricut Vinyl. It doesn't call it anything fancy, and it does say on here that it cuts really intricate images. It adheres tightly, but leaves no sticky residue upon removal. So this is the one I used. And as a matter of, well, let me show you this. So what it looks like on the back is this one. It just has the grid, and it has the word Cricut here. Just the grid and Cricut. Now I do have some of this other kind, and it has the grid on the back, but in addition to it having the grid on the back, it says Cricut Removable. I'm not sure which way you see it right. Cricut Removable. Okay, I did not use that. So anyway, I had used those before, almost a year ago, for this mug, and it's been washed numerous times. Also made this mug the same way, numerous times, and it's still on there, well, about a year, almost a year later. So let me show you what happened on my wine glass when I did not clean it first. Look at this. That's the way it came out of the dishwasher. Y'all, I was so sad. I thought, oh no, I was wrong about the Cricut Vinyl all along. And here's I think I had another picture of it, but I guess I don't. So anyway, Jean and I both used ours before we put them in the dishwasher. And as I say, this is how mine turned out. Now she took hers home to Ohio, and she waited the 48 hours. I always recommend you wait at least 48 hours before you put it in the dishwasher to let it cure. She waited that length of time, and after she washed hers in her dishwasher and took it out, the letters were perfect. Nothing slipping, nothing coming loose, everything where it was supposed to be. Here's another picture of the same one. What I thought I would do is redo mine again. So here it is. Here's the side with some of the letters that had come off right here. There's just 2 letters left and a heart. So what I did was I took it, turned it around the other side, cleaned this area really well with the alcohol, and then adhered the vinyl to it. Sure enough, it's been through the dishwasher once, and the heat setting to dry, and the letters are still on. They're not hanging off as they had been in that picture. So one more time, just to refresh your memory, here's what I do, how I clean mine. I take a mug or whatever I'm going to use, and I take a piece of paper towel. I don't want to use Kleenexes or tissues because sometimes those have some residue in them as well, like especially the lotion ones. Those would be horrible. So I put some of this alcohol on there. Now I'm using the 91% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. I don't know that you must have the 91%, but that's just what I have and what I use. And then I just start cleaning exactly where I'm going to put my image or my decal. And I'm going to keep on cleaning this until I hear it becoming squeaky clean. If I put it down on my table and rub it like this, I think my camera's going to wiggle a lot. It is, I see it. But you can hear it squeaking. Now I know that's squeaky clean. And this is ready to put some stuff on it. I gotta be careful not to touch it again, because that gets my fingerprints and oils on it again. So clean it really well, then put your vinyl on there, and I can almost guarantee that your vinyl's gonna stick. You'll be able to wash it, you'll be able to put it in the dishwasher. Mine's lasted almost a year. I don't know if it will last indefinitely, but it's doing really well. So that's my thumbs up again for Cricut Vinyl. I know a lot of people don't like Cricut Vinyl, but I like it. And generally I like to stick to one type of vinyl so that I get to know it really well and I know how it works. The only one I really like to use that's different than the Cricut is the Flock vinyl. Love that Flock fuzzy, almost suede feel of vinyl. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, there'll be a link below. So anyway, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I love all the comments and questions you guys are giving me, and ideas for other tutorials that I can do. So thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye, y'all.